Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 93 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something rather quick because I have to get going. It's getting pretty warm now where I am. This is my all-in-one almond. You can see that it's starting to push out blooms all over. I'll put on ultra wide right now. I pruned a lot. I pruned in the summer as well, but almonds just grow like crazy where I live. Central California, Zone 9B. I'm doing this video to show you, don't be afraid to make big cuts. So let me go ultra wide. So you can see everything is like a crown, just like my 4-in-1. You see it's nice and open in the middle. My 4-in-1 cocktail fruit tree is to get light and air in the center. Light in the center and a better air movement. This, let me get ultra wide again. That big limb is just growing straight up and inward now. This limb right here. So this limb is coming out. I already started the big cut right here underneath. You see that cut? Always cut at the bottom. Always cut at the bottom, because when you saw it on the top, it could rip the bark off. So this is going to be removed. Happy gardening, everybody.